In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to bypass TPM and secure boot requirements to install Windows 11 in Virtualbox on an unsupported device. You can follow this tutorial for Windows versions, ranging from Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. Microsoft provides a way to bypass these requirements on devices that aren't supported. Windows 11 can be installed on unsupported devices by making changes to the registry editor. We tried the registry editor modification method for Oracle Virtualbox, but we could not get rid of this error message. By using Windows 11 disk image customization, we bypassed TPM and secure boot requirements, and were able to install Windows 11 in Oracle Virtualbox on an unsupported device. To install Windows 11 in Virtualbox, the ISO disk image of Windows 11, a minimum of 20 GB of free disk space, on any partition, and Oracle Virtualbox are required. Any burn, and the ISO image file of Windows 10 are also required. For Virtualbox to run well, or normally, your device must have 6 or 8 GB of RAM. Download and install Oracle Virtualbox, if not already installed. You may find the link in the description. We suggest updating your copy of Virtualbox, if you have already Virtualbox installed, to avoid any compatibility issues. Download and install any burn. The link in the description box. Follow our tutorial on how to download Windows 10 ISO image file. Video link is in the description. If not already downloaded Windows 11 ISO image file, go to the Windows 11 download page, and scroll down until you find the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO option. Select Windows 11 from the drop-down menu, and click Download. Choose your preferred language, and click Confirm to make the download button visible. Your system type automatically will be detected, and shown the download option accordingly. Click to begin the download. We urge you to fully concentrate on all steps of the next process, to avoid time waste. It may be confusing to you. Before you modify Windows 11 ISO image file, we suggest making separate copies of disk images of Windows 10 and Windows 11, if you want to use them for general purposes. Double-click on Windows 11 ISO image file, to mount it as a virtual DVD drive. Open Windows 11 disk image, and go to the source folder, and search for the install.vim file. Copy the install.vim file to the hard drive. After copying the install.vim file, launch any burn. Open Edit Image File tool. Click on the folder icon, to select the Windows 10 disk image we have downloaded earlier. Click Next. Go to the source folder, and find install.vim, and delete it. After deletion, click Add button, to locate install.vim file we have copied from Windows 11 disk image file, and click Next. Click the Create button, it will overwrite the ISO image. Click Yes. It may take 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your hard drive speed. Creating the image file finished successfully. This disk image of Windows 10 will bypass TPM, and secure boot requirements, and install Windows 11. After editing Windows 10 disk image, for Windows 11 installation, launch Virtualbox. Click on New. Give a name to the virtual machine. If drive C is low on disk space, you can change the machine folder's location from here. If not detected, choose Windows 11 according to the system type of your device, from the Windows version selection menu. We'll choose 64-bit. Click Next. Here you have to choose RAM memory size, and click Next. 4 GB recommended. Tick mark, Create a virtual hard disk now option, and click Create. Select the first option, and click Next. Leave it as default, and click Next. Click this folder icon to choose the partition, where Virtualbox will store installation, and other data. We'll leave it, as default. 20 GB disk space is required. You can choose more than 20 GB, according to your requirements. Click Create. We need to make a change to this virtual machine. Highlight the newly created virtual machine, and go to the settings. Click on Storage, highlight Empty, and click on the CD or DVD icon and then click Choose a disk file. Select Modified Windows 10 ISO image file. Don't worry, it will install Windows 11. Click OK to save the settings. Click on Start. Press space, or any key to begin the setup. The remainder of the process is conventional. Installation is complete. Install Virtualbox Guest Editions. Guest Editions utility consists of device drivers, and other system applications. This utility helps your virtual machine to integrate more effectively with its host operating system. From the File menu, click on Devices. Click Insert Guest Editions CD image. Guest Editions installer will appear. If not, go to this PC, and launch the 64-bit installer. A restart is required. We hope you find today's tutorial informative, and this guide helps you install Windows 11 in Virtualbox, on an unsupported device. If we didn't explain anything accurately, please let us know, in the comments section. We'll do our best to help you. You can also leave valuable suggestions, and feedback in the comments section.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.